What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to contact or how to message a seller on Poshmark, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to contact a seller on Poshmark. So maybe you're having some troubles with the item you want to buy, maybe you need additional informations or whatsoever and you want to contact the seller. How to do it? Well, I'm gonna show you right now. So there are public messages and private messages. The only way to contact a Poshmark seller completely privately is to locate the item under My Purchases and hit Message Seller. After the purchase, before the purchase, you can send a public message or semi-private message using the bundle feature. So basically the public message is the main way to contact someone, is to tag the person's username and write your message. So as you can see over here, you can do this to meet a Posher profiles, a seller item, or any other listing, ask questions, make comments, or even tag a friend who you want to see the item. So basically the only way to contact seller is after you purchased, which is a private way, and the public way, as you saw, you need to mention them in the comment and basically write your question and hope that that person will see that comment and respond to you. So that's not the greatest thing. It would be a good thing if they made private messages available before purchasing, but guys, it is what it is. Maybe they will change that in the future. So overall, that's it for today's video. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you hit that notification bell on and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.